Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit. Today I'm making crab stuffed mushrooms. These are little mouthfuls of pure, rich crab heaven. They only take a few minutes to make and a few ingredients, so let's get started. I'm going to start out with 8 ounces of this beautiful Chesapeake Bay jumbo lump crab meat. If you can get it, as it's the best crab meat there is in my humble opinion. If not, get whatever other crab meat you can afford from the US. I've noticed so much of our crab meat now is from Indonesia, Thailand, and India. There's absolutely no need for that when we're surrounded by oceans. Find a local supplier and pay a little bit more for an American crab meat and other seafood. To the crab meat, I'm adding mayonnaise, and please don't use light mayonnaise or fat-free mayonnaise. If you use that, you might as well use imitation crab meat. Now add Parmesan cheese. If you're one of those people who say seafood and cheese should not go together, then continue to live in your box and enjoy your imitation crab meat and fat-free mayo crab salad. Now add parsley and Old Bay. Now very gently mix everything together. You don't want to break up the lumps any more than necessary. For a full printable copy of this recipe and many more, visit thewolfpit.com. Now I'm going to pour in and mix in 1 well-beaten egg. Now cover this and place it into the refrigerator while we get our mushrooms ready. I have 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms. You can use whatever kind of mushrooms you like. I'm going to remove the stems and scoop out the gills. For the sake of time and boring you guys and doing all 9 of these, I'm only going to do 1. Now you simply take a spoon and pack the filling down into the mushroom and overstuff each mushroom. And this filling made enough to stuff 9 mushrooms. Now I'm going to place these into a pan. Now add some pieces of butter all around the pan, or you can just pour some melted butter in. Now top with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. Now these go into a preheated 400-degree oven, or grill in my case because it was absolutely beautiful outside, for about 20 minutes. Just until the cheese is melted and nice and golden brown. There you have it. Rich, cheesy, buttery, and absolutely delicious Chesapeake Bay jumbo lump crab stuffed mushrooms. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you give these a try. Please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.